Reloading. What you say there, boy? Alright, mate. Cheerio. Cheers, mate. Cheerio. 1, 2. I'm reloading to Mr. One Jeff. One Jeff, yeah. I'm doing Rapper Zoo right now. So Florida Day, I just wanted to show, like, you know what I'm saying, J Mix, you know what I'm saying, Super Dave, Born King Mosley, Big Guy. What you say that, boy? Hey, I want to show y'all boys, man. In Florida, man. You see the sky? You know what I'm saying? Ain't the sun out? You know what I'm saying? And it's doing that. Y'all don't have this where y'all from, man. I know the camera kind of far, but I don't have this where y'all from. So when y'all really come down to the real Bay, buy that ticket. You know what I'm saying? Take $275 extra to Arlington. So you get off on 119th Street and come fuck with me, man. Got Megatron over there getting washed. Over there getting washed. He been kind of dirty, but gas tank on press. Gas ain't full though. Keep the gas full. I don't know. Anyway, just a day in the life, man. Life in a day. A life in a day. Probably hit the hotel party out later. Get off around 5. Work out. Get fresh up and one chuffed up. Ah. But yeah, though. So I'm stuck here looking at this shit.
I gotta get back over to work.
Got white boys behind me. I see white people. And we're gonna close it with that. Teamwork is a team. Balloon Films is a company. And movie music is what we're making. Look, there go GTR. You see it? That's right. You see that GTR? See it just went by? Be about 135,000. Wow. Bow, bow. Kaboom. Balloon. It's raining like a yeah. With the sky shining like a mug. Anyways, hit me, man. Balloon Films 1L at gmail.com. My droid on roids. My droid on. My lips was chapped. My droid on roids at gmail.com. Teamwork 300 plus, all one word. 300 is the numbers at gmail.com. I'm making movies, man. Roll out. Roll out. Accelerate. Couldn't walk in these shoes, boy. Ha ha. Kablur.